Good morning, children. In the last class, we did verbs and we completed the exercises on verbs, right? Now, today we are starting chapter number 9, that is, am, are. Now, children, do you remember what is verb? Any action done is called verb. Verb tells us what people, animals, or things do. Verbs are also called action words or doing words. Now look at this picture. Here, read the sentence. I am a student of class 2. Now look at this picture and read the sentence. Mrs. Khan is my teacher. And here, see this picture and read the sentence. Rita and Payal are my classmates. Now, did you see the 3 highlighted words in all the 3 sentences? That is, am, and are. Yes, we use the words is, am, and are as present tense form of the verb. Right? So, is, am, and are also verbs and we use them in present tense form. What does that mean? Present tense talks about action happening at present or now. Any action that happened or is going on at the present moment is called present tense. And is, am, are can be used as main verb or verb that help other verbs. Now, is, am, and are. They are used as main verbs or as verbs that help other verbs. Let's see example. As main verbs, I am happy, you are kind. And as helping verbs, she is studying, they are teasing others. Today we will learn the use of am, is, and are in a sentence. I am. We use am with I. He is. With is, we use he. She is. With is, we use she. It is. With is, we also use it. We are. With are, we use we. They are. With are, we use they. You are. With are, we also use you. What did we observe? We observed that am is used with I. I am. I am going to school. I am a boy. I am eating. I am playing with my friend. She is used with nouns that refer to one person, male or female, one animal one thing or one place. That is all the singular nouns, and with he, she, it. Are is used with you. You are. Are is also used with plural nouns or nouns with more than one person, more than one place, more than one things, such as we are, they are. Now children, let us recall what we learnt. Am is always used with I. For example, I am a boy. I am eating. Is used with he. He is eating. She is eating. It is eating. Everybody is eating. Somebody is eating. Nobody is eating. Everyone is eating. Someone is eating. No one is eating. And singular nouns. Now singular nouns here we can also use boy. Boy is eating. Girl is eating. Mother is eating. Or we can take name like Radha is eating. Did you understand? So is used with he, she, it, everybody, somebody, nobody, everyone, someone, no one, and all the singular nouns. Are is used with you. You are eating. We are eating. They are eating, and plural nouns. Now when we talk about plural nouns, we say boys is plural. So we say boys are eating, girls are eating. We can even talk about two person like Ram and Rahim. They are two. So we say Ram and Rahim are eating. Is it clear to all of you where we use am, is and are? Now it's time to do exercise from the textbook. So, are you all ready with your textbook? We will be doing exercise A on page number 44 and exercise A again on page number 54. So, let's start the exercise. Exercise A on page number 43. Fill in the blanks with the verbs is, am or are. Now what you have to do here children, you have to read the sentence and in the blanks given, you have to either write is, am or are. Now you remember we use I with am. So wherever I is there, what will you write? Am. You will use is with he, she, it or singular nouns, and are you will use with you, we, they or plural nouns. So ready? Number 1. Mumbai dash the business center of India. Now Mumbai is a place and it is singular, right? So what will you write here? Mumbai is the business center of India. Number 2. We dash the students of Happy School. Now with we use are. You remember we saw before? So let's write we are the students of Happy School. Number 3. You dash drinking orange juice. Now with you, what we use? You are drinking orange juice. Number 4, he dash a naughty boy. Do you remember what we use with he? Correct. We use is. He is a naughty boy. Number 5, I dash writing in my notebook. Now you know this. I told you before that with I always am comes, right? I am writing in the notebook. Number 6, the boys dash playing football. Now here boys are plural nouns. So with plural nouns, what comes? Are, right? So all of you write, the boys are playing football. Did you all finish writing? Children, see that you write neatly. Now we will go to next exercise on page number 54. Exercise A. Now here what we have to do? Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs from those given in brackets. Now here the answers are already given in bracket. After each sentence, you have to choose the correct answer. So let's start. Number 1, they dash busy today. Now with they, what will come? You remember what will come? Are. So write, they are busy today. Number 2, that dash your bag. That, can we use am? No, we use am with I, isn't it? So what we will use? That is your bag. Number 3, you dash disturbing me. Can we write you am disturbing me? It is incorrect. No? So write you are disturbing me. Number 4, you know the answer. I am feeling sleepy. Number 5, he dash sad. Here also you know the answer. We can't write he am sad. It is incorrect. We write he is sad. In the next class, we will do some more exercises on chapter 9 is, am, are. So enjoy yourself. Have a great day and happy Ganesh Chaturthi.